Welcome to this session on Introduction to Data Science in Healthcare. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how data science is transforming the medical field, improving outcomes for patients, and making healthcare systems more efficient. What is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistics, computer science, and domain expertise to extract meaningful insights from data. In healthcare, it involves patient records, imaging, lab results, and operational data, helping professionals make better, faster, and more accurate decisions. Relevance to healthcare. Data science improves clinical decision-making by providing evidence-based recommendations, enables personalized treatment plans, detects diseases earlier, optimizes hospital resources, and accelerates medical research. Clinical decision-making. Predictive analytics can estimate disease risk. AI supports doctors in diagnosing conditions quickly, and treatment optimization ensures the right therapy is chosen for each patient. Real-time monitoring with wearables helps track health continuously, while data-driven policies improve overall healthcare quality. Key stakeholders. Clinicians apply insights in treatment decisions, data engineers prepare clean datasets, data scientists build predictive models, administrators use data to improve operations, and ultimately, patients benefit through better and safer care. Types of healthcare data. Clinical data includes electronic health records, lab results, and imaging. Operational data relates to hospital workflows and resources. Patient-generated data comes from wearables and apps, while research data supports new discoveries and treatments. Real-world use cases. Examples include IBM Watson Health recommending cancer treatments, Google DeepMind detecting eye diseases, remote monitoring reducing hospital readmissions, predictive bed management improving capacity, and COVID-19 analytics guiding public health actions. Thank you for watching. Data science is revolutionizing healthcare, and its potential continues to grow. Together, we can leverage data to make healthcare smarter, faster, and more patient-centered.